Have you ever started a new drawing in Autodesk Inventor only to realize that when you started dimensioning the text was either too small or too large? Let's take a second to change the size of our text together. First, go to the Manage tab. Then under Styles and Standards, select the Styles Editor button. Once the Style and Standard Editor dialog box opens up, expand the Dimension option and select the dimension style you are using. In this example, I am using the default millimeter ANSI style. Once you have your dimension style opened up, go over to the Text tab. Then under Primary Text Style, select the Edit Text Style button. Then, under Character Formatting, go to Text Height and change the size. You can change the size to one of the given default sizes, or you can type in the size that you want. Select Save and Close and watch how the text size changes. I hope this short tutorial is helpful. Follow CAD-tech for more tips and tricks in Autodesk Inventor.